Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Solana update. I skipped an update yesterday because the price hadn't really moved in the last from Monday to Tuesday, or from Tuesday to Wednesday. So I thought let's skip a day. Also had limited time in the morning, so couldn't really make the videos I wanted to make. But right now, Solana has shown some bullish momentum. Yesterday with a bullish Bitcoin, of course, because that is the main catalyst behind this move. Solana itself, we'll take a brief look at the fundamentals, but you can see it's still very correlated to Bitcoin. The correlation also increased after this pump. So I do think it mostly was correlation, all right? But in this video, I wanted to talk about what's possible from here. We're at the value high again, as you can see, which is a pretty strong resistance level, and it's kind of the one resistance level before getting to the real one, around 105, 106 up here. So there's very strong resistance levels right now, but with a Bitcoin that possibly could get a nice bullish breakout here, that's not necessarily a problem, all right? So we'll talk about whether a breakout is possible, etc., etc., and just in general, everything you need to know, all right? So that's what we'll talk about, and let's get right into it. We kind of have already gotten into it, but all right. Fundamentally, if you talk about Solana, it's actually still doing great. I mean, the total value locked right now is at $1.73 billion. That's a lot. Obviously, we had that outage 2 days ago or something, but that really didn't do much to the price. I mean, I think this was it. I think we had a small spike down to $93, but from there, buyers picked it up, and we're bullish again. And at this moment, what's also true is that the Solana meme coin kind of sector is still doing pretty good. There's still quite a lot of Solana meme coins that are doing good right now, like Dogwave Hat again, which I think it's down quite a bit overall, but still. Myro is showing some bullish momentum, which is not the best example, but still. I also saw some. I believe I also saw some silly action, but I cannot find it right now. So overall, fundamentally, I think Solana deserves a chance to get a bullish breakout. Now, is it technically most likely? I think that's a better question. That's also a more difficult question, but what I always like to look at is that right now you need to get some indication that we can have a breakout out of the range. The closest we got to a breakout out of this range right here is the 30th of January, when we tried to break above 106. And we came close. I would say if you really want a bullish breakout, you need to break above this entire level. So that's between 104 and 108. And and Solana did not do that. But now the main question is well, are there enough indications that we can actually do it right now? The fundamentals are obviously better than here. But is that enough? At this moment, I don't think so. You can see that the open interest right here, down here, it's a little bit small, but maybe I can make it a bit bigger right here. So it's a bit small, but you can see the open interest is not even at the same levels as it was the 30th of January. It doesn't have to be, but it does need to be bigger than this. Like, we need to have at least this over 1.5 billion. If that's the case, and that could happen today, then we have a chance of breaking out. But obviously, I have to make an analysis and I have to make a prediction based on what I can see right now. And based on what I can see right now, I would say there's not enough confirmation to assume we're going to get a bullish breakout. Now, if Bitcoin breaks above 44,000 or let's say 45,000 and it starts rallying, then if that is in combination with the open interest increasing for Solana, then a bullish breakout like this is a possibility. But at this moment, and the idea I have on Solana I'll have to leave you with, at this moment I don't think this is most likely. I think it's most likely that we will get more bullish momentum, so that Solana will spike up here, but that it will provide resistance as well. All right, and that from here will drop back down towards at least like $92, $93 again. Now, I'll keep you updated on this. Like I said, if the circumstances change, then my prediction also changes. That's just the way it goes. But for now, I think this is most likely. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.